We know everyone wants to be green, but the reality is that most fleets aren't going to switch to an alternative fuel unless it also makes sense from an economic standpoint. The fuel price for renewable natural gas is significantly less than diesel per gallon, but that's not enough. What we really need to discuss is the total cost of ownership. If a fleet were to buy a brand new RNG truck fitted with the Cummins X15N engine, our goal within the industry is to be able to deliver that truck at an incremental price to a diesel truck that can easily be recouped within just a few years. This is before any grants, tax credits, or funding subsidies that may also be available. The truck is going to require less maintenance because natural gas engines don't require an active aftertreatment like a DPF or SCR. And then you're going to also significantly save on the price of each gallon of RNG. When you plug that into a total cost of ownership model, you have the full package that checks both the sustainability and affordability boxes. You have a truck running a powerful natural gas engine paired with a low carbon fuel that costs less to run than traditional fuels. From an affordability perspective, this is where switching to RNG really shines.